So there's an order. It'll go whatever order we decide. Peanut, Tonyo, me, you. Peanut will hit. The last person, being you the first time, will be the wolf. Peanut will hit. You can choose him to be on your team or not. If you say no, then Tonyo will hit. If you like Tonyo's shot, then you can choose him to be on your team. And if no, you can wait for me. And if I hit it one too, you can go on your own. You're betting that whoever you and your teammate score combined is going to be better than the other teams. And the wolf switches every round.
Best ball, right?
No, you play.
No, that's what I mean. Like when you
Each person gets their own score, and then
you just combine with your teammate.
and then the winning team that round gets a point, right?
Yeah.
It's fun.
each individual person gets a point.
Yeah, each individual person from the winning team gets a point each round. Okay. Yeah, let's try it.
We can do it.
Yeah, once Peanut, he tees off, and then you say you're on my team or not. If you say no, you cannot go back to Peanut after that.
You have to make the decision right then.
If you don't, then you just let me go.
And then it's your score plus Peanut's score, and then let's say you pick Peanut. Then it would be me and Tonyo's score against your score. Whatever team wins, each player gets 1 point. And then the next tee box, Tonyo will tee off first. I'll go next. You'll go next, and then Peanut will be the wolf.
Are we doing the lone wolf thing, where if you don't want
anybody on your team, you get 2 points. Everybody else, if they beat you, it's your score times 2, plus the other team's best 2 scores.
Well, not.
Yes, that's how it works. So if Dad went lone wolf here, it'd be his score times 2, minus whoever between me, you, and Tonyo got the best scores.
I know.
What? All right, do you want Peanut or not? You're the wolf, you pick. If you want him, you have to claim him right now.
You want him now, you have to claim him now. You can't wait till Tonyo tees off.
Yeah, okay.
No,
it's Dad's choice.
Huh?
Do you want Peanut or not?
Yeah, do you want me on your team?
It's just this hole.
This hole.
Every hole the team's reset. It's an individual game. What
If you
the
didn't
hell
pick
is going
me,
on?
I don't know.
Oh, they got caddies. It's a junior tournament. Oh, it's our coaches.
It's cute.
Nice drive. So did he take you, Peanut?
Yeah.
Okay, so Tonyo, nice
Tonyo.
drive. So now it's me and your score versus their team. Oh. Well, Tonyo can hit it as far as us. So.
Yeah, Tonyo's distance doesn't matter.
I'll just bend it.
Make it right here.
See what happens.
You can still play your team, Dad. You can play. Oh, that's a good ball. There's no mics today, right?
No, no mics.
Okay.
I did not charge them. I did not bring them.
Low key, the driver did well for him. You see the ball?
Yeah.
I didn't see the ball. I need glasses.
Here.
Over there?
Yeah.
Was it good, Papa Dog?
Trying on the white, but your mom caught it.
Yeah.
Try on the white, I think. Right from the white.
What's that?
I think it's right here, babe.
Oh, yeah.
Actually,
Freaking hit the tree. Had to, because it says it landed over there. Like 200 yards from here, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, definitely hit a tree. It has freaking tree bark on it.
it's actually okay, Dad.
Yeah,
You're gonna be clear.
pin high all the way left.
All the way left.
Alright, it's not bad.
And from standard, it's 331. Right?
That was a nice drive.
300.
I expected it to go past you.
This man got so much spin on it. Yeah.
Ron, give me like half a second to film you.
Tanya's bogey, birdie, par. Yeah, it's par. So this first hole is actually pretty tight.
Yeah. Tight, dog. Tight.
I think we have to put everything out, unless actually we can call stuff good.
Dude. Sit down.
So this could all end in a tie right here. If we all make these, this
Yeah.
would be a tie. Wait, no, you would win. So this is par bogey.
This would be 8.
That's birdie bogey.
Yeah.
All right, Tanya. Whoever wants to go first. You go ahead, Tina.
I'm going last. I like this game. Wolf is fun.
Good roll. Thanks. Par. Better than the 6 last round.
Yep.
All right, TJ. You got this. I think it's just a little left, right? Whatever. Just like inside the cup, but on the left hand side of the inside of the cup. So if you want to go straight, go for it. I like it. I'll go next.
Take your time, Dad. Take your time. So Dad got a 6. Damn. Good birdie. So right now it's 9 to.
Pressure ball.
Don't choke, and he actually choked.
I know.
I know.
Yeah,
Do I get any points for getting a birdie?
it's all score based.
Oh.
All right,
I know I got the convenience.
the first hole was a tie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tight.
I didn't know you were gonna.
So what? Does everybody get a point?
Tap it in right there.
No point.
No points.